Skies are starting to brighten up first thing this morning as we are approaching the official sunrise here on your Sunday morning, and we will be seeing more in the way of sunshine than we did yesterday. Let's take a live look now from our Kentucky One Health WeatherBug camera in Lexington Center. Again, still just a few minutes away from sunrise this morning, and we will be seeing some pretty colors once again. The MaxTrack Live Doppler coming up quiet for most of us. We're starting off the day. However, some showers have been tracking right along the fringe of the Commonwealth, mainly impacting southern Indiana and Ohio. One of those showers, though, did dive southward, impacting mostly Pike County right now, bringing some pockets of some heavier rain. More or less just some light to moderate rain is scattered across our far eastern Kentucky counties. Otherwise, you've been seeing some clouds drifting in from time to time through the overnight hours, hopefully giving you a good view of the full surgeon moon that was peaking late last night. We'll continue to see still a good view of that later on tonight as well. Overall, things are settling down across the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley. That's as a departing system continues to move through southern Canada, and high pressure will be taking over the next several days. So for your Sunday, we are tracking a mix of sun and clouds, a bit more sunshine than what we saw yesterday, and temperatures will be quickly on the move as we'll end the day with high temperatures right around 9 degrees. And as I mentioned, high pressure is taking back over the weather story. Right now positioned near the Smokies, and that's where it's going to hang out over the next couple of days. With high pressure, we see winds flowing clockwise, and that's going to be cooling in a southerly breeze throughout the day. Of course, that's ushering back in some mugginess, and we started to see that move in yesterday. So future track keeps things relatively quiet throughout the day thanks to high pressure, but still during the steamy afternoon, we can't rule out a stray shower or thunderstorm that may pop up into the afternoon. Overall, the activity looks to be pretty hit or miss. Skies again will be clear overnight. Tomorrow, very similar story as we'll track mostly sunny skies, and even into Tuesday, it's just snooze and cruise mode as we are back to a full-time summer pattern. So not only will we see high pressure at the surface, but also the jet stream will be punched all the way into southern Canada. That's just going to reinforce the heat and humidity over the next couple of days. And yesterday we started to see the mugginess starting to creep back in after that pre-fall spell that we saw end the work week. So as we go throughout the day, you'll notice on the muggy meter, dew points will be running low to mid 70s. That's borderline yuck. So if you're out and about this afternoon, be prepared to sweat, and also those feels like temperatures will be running a few degrees above the actual air temperature, and it's going to stay humid during this steamy stretch even into Tuesday, and it does look like the humidity will also hang on through the final days of August. So after seeing a near average day yesterday, temperatures over the next 3 days will be bouncing around 90, tomorrow being the hottest of the bunch, and even as we look towards the end of August, temperatures will be right around normal as we're tracking highs in the mid to upper 80s. So today again begins our stretch back in summer as we're hot and more humid, 89 for a high with a mix of sun and clouds. We can't rule out a pop-up storm into the afternoon, also breezy with winds coming in out of the southwest throughout the day. Tonight, skies are mostly clear. It's another muggy night with lows in the lower 70s. Then we keep singing the same tune early next week. We're tracking highs in the low 90s, morning lows in the 70s. Eventually, though, we will be bringing back chances for thunderstorms. That will be as a cold front begins to track closer on Wednesday and Thursday. Not expecting a washout, but some scattered thunderstorms with some heavy rain will be possible for the middle of the week. And we'll continue to track those typical August conditions even into the early days of September. It's hot and humid next weekend with isolated storm chances. We'll have more LEX 18 News Sunrise Weekend coming up after this.